Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a printable birthday card on Canva. Once on Canva, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select Create. From here, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in birthday card. After you have done that, you can see numerous options that you can choose from. If it is a case that you like to create a one-page birthday card, you can select landscape. You also have card portrait and you have square card. But for this example, we're going to be creating a foldable card. So we're going to select folded card. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, you can see right here that we have our card layout, and you also have the split, which would be the front part of the card and the back part of the card. Now to add elements, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and I want you to select templates. Then you're going to tap on the search bar and I want you to type in birthday card. After you have done that, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. Keep in mind, any one of the templates that has a crown, that means that you'd have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use that particular template. But don't worry, there are numerous free templates that you can use. Let's say we would like to use this template. You can simply select it, then you're going to tap on apply both pages. After you have done that, you can see how it looks right there. And let's say, for example, you would like to make a few changes. Or let's say you would like it to look like this, where you can put the person image at the front. All you need to do, we'll remove this. Go over to the left hand menu option, select elements. Then from there, you can just select circle frame. And you can select circle picture frame. After you have done that, you can select whichever one of these options. So I'm going to be selecting this option. Then I'll just drag and place it right here. After I've added the frame, we'll go over to the left hand menu option, select uploads. From here you can select upload file and you could upload the person's picture. After you have done that, you can drag and place their pic right there in the frame. Then you can edit the text. So you could change the text to whatever you want. And let's say, for example, it's someone that likes turtles. So I want to add a turtle on their page. All I'll need to do is simply tap right here. For example's sake, I'll add a turtle right at the top. So I'll select elements. I'm just going to type in turtle. And let's say, for example, I want to add this one. I'll simply select it. Adjust how it looks. Then from there, you can add it to the front page, or we could add it to the back page, as you can see right here. So this will be the front and the back page. Now the inside page is this section. And to add more text, so this is how it looks at the moment. Have an amazing day. You can go over to the left hand menu option, tap on text. Then from there you could tap on add. And from there you could type out your text, as you can see right here. And to get the font size and style to match up, you'll simply tap here. And you can see the style that they are using, Bellabo. So you'll tap on yours and you can tap right here. And from there you can select the style. You could scroll down, or you can simply tap right here and we could type in Bellabo. You can see it right there, and we'll simply select Bellabo, and you can type out your text right there. And if it is a case that you'd like to add more images, you can go over to the left hand menu option and select element, and you can add more images. So this will be the two outside pages. This is the cover page and the back page, and this will be the two inside pages, as you can see right here. Now that you have created your card, it is now time to print it. You're going to tap on share. After you have selected share, from here you have a few options. Depending on the country you live in, you might want to print it with Canva, so you can tap on print with Canva. If it is a case that you want to use your own printer, for example, at your home, you can tap on see all. Then you'll simply scroll down until you see the option use my printer. You'll tap right there and you'll be able to print it using your printer. Or if you would like to download the images, you can also do that. So you could tap on download, and you want to ensure that you have selected PNG, and you're just going to tap on download. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.